This type of AI videos are becoming very viral these days, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to do it. So first of all, we need to go to Novoads AI. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section, and once you arrive here, you need to create an account. Once you have created the account, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the image section. Now go to settings, and here we need to use the following settings. Now here, where it says describe your image, we're going to use the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And now we have to click this button. Now we have to wait more or less 30 seconds. Perfect, here we have the images, and now we have to choose the one we like the most. So personally, I'm going to use this one, so I'm going to download this image. Now we have to go to video, click in settings, and here we're going to use the model Science 2.0 Mini. This because the quality of this model is really good and is very cheap. Now we have to click here and upload the image that we download. So let's click here. Now here we have to paste this prompt that is going to be in the comment section. Here you can modify if you want the dialog. And now we have to click here. Now we have to click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result. So now let's see it.
Just in case one of them is running late.
Perfect, here we have the video, and as you can see, the quality was really good. So if you want to do videos like this one, I want to tell you that you can try this platform for just $1. This if you are a new user. So I recommend you to try the platform, and well, see you in the next video.